Previously on Sailing Britican, sailing to Bermuda. First fish!
3 throw-ups, but she's watching Scooby-Doo with some broths.
We're gonna make it.
Yeah, just waiting for this cruise ship to clear the channel. You're not gonna believe what I just found.
What?
Alright, come look.
Oh no, what is it?
We've got this floorboard here that does not have a way of getting it up. So I just used a knife to pry it up. Because there's some water. I just wanted to make sure I can see where it's coming from. So Sam, would you hold that so you can see what I found under there?
What?
A whole bunch of screens after I just made them. I have spent days making screens and we have them. I can't believe it. So I can now get rid of this and put the real one in.
Whoop, whoop. How do you feel, Kim?
I don't know. I feel like I've been looking at that floorboard for a long time thinking I need to lift it up and see what's under there. Today I'm going to test out making Moroccan chickpea tangine. Tangine? Is that how you say it?
Don't ask me.
So Simon, you just want to peek inside here. So we've got the rice with some butter and water and the tagine right there. So we're just gonna pop it into the solar cooker now and leave it for 3 to 4 hours and see what happens. Well, it smells amazing. Okay, I'm trying to get a little bit of everything. Carrots, chickpeas, raisins. It's hot. Mmm. Mmm.
Good?
Mm-hmm. Wow. The flavors are just so strong. It really is very tasty. And it took no time at all to put that all in the pot. Man, I'm so excited about this. Your turn to try. Try and grab a little bit of everything. I thought the carrots were going to be like kind of mushy because I left it in there for so long, but they still have quite a strong texture.
Yeah, it's really, really nice. You get the flavour of everything.
Yeah.
Like when you cook some stuff, it loses a bit of flavour, but it doesn't.
How's dinner, Sienna?
It is so good!
So peaceful, isn't it?
You and me, just you and me.
We got lots of rest going on. It's funny because when we lived in the marina, I don't think we were so active on the boat. It's kind of like you just stay inside. Now that we're in Anchorage, we're outside all the time and we're noticing all the rust we need to clean up. So, polishing the chrome.
So what are you using?
We're using Autosol. Works really good. As long as the rust isn't too bad and you really take your time, it does a really good job. I know you can get it in the UK, and we've told friends about it that have gotten it in America, so it's good stuff.
We had a little leak in Sienna's bedroom. It was coming down the wall, and I think I found the culprit. It's this line here has been coming up. As you can see, it's still a little bit wet where everything else is now dry. And there's a little hole here and there's a little hole here, but what's a bit scary is that this is the deck and it feels fairly solid, but I actually pushed it down a bit. It feels solid now. So
what are we going to do?
well, because we're in Bermuda, I'm going to do a temporary measure where I'm going to dig all the old Sikaflex out and clean it all up and then Sikaflex it in. So it's not going to look the prettiest in the world, but I'm going to get it so it covers it all up. Just finished doing some re-Sikaflexing the other day, and I'm just tidying it up.
Just sanding it down?
Just sanding it down, yeah. One of the rivets was completely gone, so that was one leak. We've had a couple of little leaks around here we fixed. This morning we've taken a box down, and what's happened is one of the screws at the end is slightly discoloured, so we're going to have to fix a little leak in there.
So that's just a matter of putting silicone
Yeah,
in.
a little bit of silicone up in there and that should be done. But we're still getting water in this area here. And while we were crossing, we put loads of paper down to find the different areas of where the water was coming through. And all down here was dry, but these wires were getting wet. And of course we were leaned over a bit. But what we have done is we've noticed that somebody put some second different sealer or silicone in there. So we pulled this apart and water is just dripping through. So I've just been into the anchor locker, which is through here, because we're thinking that the water's coming maybe possibly into here or coming through, but the level of the floor is there and it looks like they've sealed it, they've done some work to it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take everything out of here, everything out of this, and there is a little hatch through here.
It's got like a little plastic circular viewing
Thing, so we're going to actually go through there
and see if we can open that up, because it's possible that water's down below the anchor locker and that is getting into this sealed off section, and then from the sealed off section it's dripping through that little area in the corner. You know, people joke all the time and say whenever you get a leak it's always like in the worst possible place, but
this is,
I mean, this really is the worst possible place. I don't know how we're going to get to that little clear plastic thing, because I think there's a wooden bar in front of it and all sorts. So, but this has to be fixed. We can't, I mean, it's soul destroying to see water coming in all the time. It's like, what the heck do we have to do? So, hopefully we
I'm
can.
gonna ring someone and seek advice as well.
Yeah, let's call up Oyster and just say what's going on, because I'm just so it's just
I don't want to do
annoying.
anything that it could cause more damage.
Well, yeah, I don't want to also open the bottom of the floor and water rush out. Oh man! All right, to be continued. Yeah.
Yeah, to be continued. I'm in Bermuda at the moment, so I don't know what's the easiest place to get glass. Just noticed the lines became a bit messy and falling out. So I'm just repackaging it all so it looks nice and neat and tidy and easy to deploy when we need it. Hopefully we don't.
Going to do hocus pocus powder. What we need from the kit is citric acid. So find that citric acid. It's like a like almost like a lava lamp, isn't it? What you doing?
Hey, I'm trying to fight the war, you know. We just won. We got a down bar. Are you reading the song?
So what are you doing, Sienna?
None of your business. It's a secret.
Come on, what are you making?
I'm making a fort. It's like another house in a house. But Daddy, you should really come like right inside. It's hard working for the preparations for this party. We're doing a treasure hunt for schoolwork. It's like about finding things on my mom's list that we have here. And you would want a map, some snacks, a piece of pen, a pencil and a notebook, and a finding list of your place that you are at.
Which is what we're at?
We're at Bermuda.
Right.
And a helping friend.
Okay.
And a daddy.
So you dropped off our sail last week.
Yes, I did.
It's ready now?
Yes, we're going to go into the little dock here and go and pick it up, and then hopefully we'll be able to put it back into the boom and onto the mast.
And what are the chances me and you are going to be able to put the battens in and get the sail back on?
Easy. Easy. It only took 5 of us last time.
Yeah, okay. So just me and you this time. Let's see how
Yeah,
it
but
goes.
we did it in a gale last time. That's
Yeah.
why it took 5 of us.
Yeah, there's no wind today, right?
There's 10 knots.
Here comes our sail.
That was a performance right there.
We've been doing a lot of snorkeling and stuff, and Simon's gotten earplugged. So we looked up a variety of solutions. Hydrogen peroxide was one, and alcohol, but we're going to try olive oil. What do you think about that, Simon?
I don't know, I like the sound of alcohol, but just drinking it.
Yeah. So I'm warming up some olive oil in our sun cooker, our solar cooker, and then I'm gonna put some in his ear, and we'll see if that's gonna rid him of his blocked ear. Yeah?
Hope so.
Are you excited?
Yes. No, not really.
Is it started?
Yep.
Okay. Are you ready, Simon?
Yeah.
Can't really see it coming. Oh, here it comes, here it comes. How's it feel?
Okay. Yeah, it's in.
Okay, how long are we supposed to
10
leave?
minutes.
10 minutes.
I think.
Okay, Sienna, do you want to go time 10 minutes?
Okay.
Oh, it feels weird.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Oh, Sienna wants me to show you inside the ear. So it's day 2 of Simon's ear being plugged. We're gonna try hydrogen peroxide today. So is it driving you nuts?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Is it just completely plugged?
I don't know, I can't hear you. Yeah, it's
Turd
plugged.
ball.
Can you lift it up and show it?
Yeah. Vidar dropped off a selection of real Termat freeze-dried vacuum-packed meals for us. The meals included lamb stew, creamy salmon with pasta, reindeer stew, chicken curry, pasta bolognese. All you have to do is add hot water and eat. We'll try them on our next long sail. Thank you, Vidar.
What about this bit here?
Oh, the screws have popped it. You need to take out your screw. Take this out. I'll bring you some 2-part epoxy that you can just lift that up to put the 2-part epoxy in there, and just even put a piece of tape over, and it will harden right up to solid. I'll bring out when I come by. If you're not here, I'll just put the 2 cans.
Okay.
It's a 2-part. You just mix. You got a beautiful boat.
Yeah.
Beautiful, beautiful.
What a nice guy.
Yeah.
So Simon just got to talking to this guy at the town dock, didn't you, Simon?
Mm-hmm.
And asked him about if he does wood.
Yeah, he did work, so he just came over to tell me
what to do, because we've got this table that's kind of fallen apart and it's got like water damage, and so he's going to come back and bring us some 2-part epoxy. And he told Simon what to do, so hopefully our table's going to start looking better and better.
Okay.
Next on Sailing Britican. Yeah, we're gonna swim here.
Okay, young girl, what crime did you do?
If you want to know more about being a full-time sailing liveaboard, our aim is to help entertain, educate, inspire, and connect with other sailors. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive notifications of new videos. Check out our online bookstore where we sell helpful sailing guides. Visit our Etsy gift store for nautical t-shirts, jewelry, pillowcases, spices for sailors, and more. Or join our community on Patreon.